I think for anybody that's thinking about stopping smoking, if you list those reasons why you want to stop, it helps to focus the mind. And also, if you have a number of reasons that why it is important to stop, by doing that, then you can make yourself possibly more confident by thinking, okay, this is what I'm going to do, this is why I'm going to do it. And in turn, that confidence raise, that importance raise might help to push somebody on a little bit more motivation.
I tried to stop a few times and found myself starting again, and I thought the best thing to do would be just to pick a date, pick one particular day and say, right, from the 2nd of September I'm going to be completely smoke-free. And I knew it was going to be stressful, I knew I'd have difficulties from different social situations I'd be in, but being prepared for that and knowing what day I was going to stop, I could go day by day from there, knowing I'm aware of what's coming up, how difficult it's going to be, and it made it a lot easier to get through especially the first few weeks of quitting.